Welcome to Proper Menubar. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the background and customize your menu bar to fit your style. First, click on the Proper Menubar icon to open the menu. From here, select Options to access the Options page. On the Options page, you will land in the Basic tab by default. This tab contains the essential settings for the menu bar. To customize the style and change the background, click on the Design tab at the top of the Options page. Here, you will find a variety of customization options. You can adjust the background color, style, and even add your own personal touch to make the menu bar truly yours. After selecting your preferred background settings, they are saved automatically. When you return to the Google website, you will see the new Proper Menubar displayed with your customized background. When you switch from the Classic menu, the File Edit view, to the Google Products bar, you will notice a consistent style. And that is it. Customizing your Proper Menubar background is simple and easy. Explore the design options and make it your own. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials. See you next time.